The role of hydration in workout recovery.
Hydration is crucial for effective recovery after exercise. When you work out, your body loses fluids through sweat, impacting muscle function and repair. Staying properly hydrated helps maintain blood flow, delivers essential nutrients to muscles, and supports the processes your body uses to recover after physical activity. Without enough fluids, recovery is slower and muscle soreness may increase.
How water supports muscle repair.
Water helps transport nutrients and remove waste from muscles. After exercise, your muscles need protein, electrolytes, and other nutrients to repair and grow. Proper hydration ensures these vital resources reach your muscle fibers efficiently. It also aids in flushing out metabolic byproducts, like lactic acid, which can build up during intense workouts and contribute to muscle fatigue.
Signs you may be dehydrated after exercise.
Recognizing dehydration is key to faster recovery. Symptoms include persistent thirst, headache, dizziness, dark-colored urine, and muscle cramps. Even mild dehydration can slow down the recovery process and make your next workout feel more challenging. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after exercise to ensure you're staying on top of your hydration needs.
Tips for staying hydrated during recovery.
Make hydration part of your recovery routine. Drink water before, during, and after exercise, not just when you feel thirsty. Include hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables in your post-workout meal. If you've been sweating heavily or exercising for a long time, consider drinks with electrolytes to help replenish lost minerals and support optimal recovery.
Hydration habits for better performance.
Consistent hydration leads to better workout results. Aim to sip water throughout the day, not just around exercise sessions. Carry a water bottle to remind yourself to drink regularly. If you're unsure about your hydration levels, check the color of your urine. It should be light yellow. Developing these habits can improve your post-exercise recovery and overall fitness performance.